Hey, what's up, you stingy, dirty, greedy apes? I thought I'd make this motivational video for you apes, just to let you apes know, if you want all of the bananas, we do not need to be selling. This is a huge week for us, for the apes, and let me tell you exactly why. Well, it's because that gamma squeeze is just one step closer to mankind. We're gonna be on the moon very soon. All you need to know, for those that don't know, although I'm pretty sure that you all do know, is that the gamma squeeze could potentially be going on this week. And that's because we have a heck load of options that are in the money that are going to be, well, having to be purchased. I'm sorry, I'm in my vehicle recording, so I'm sorry about that beeping noise, but listen, this is all y'all need to know. A bunch of options are fixing to be going, well, are in the money. So that means that a bunch of hedgies are fixing to be having to buy a bunch of shares. So without any further ado, okay, you little apes, I want y'all to go in here because the market, it's not opened yet. But if you've got that wee bull, then you know you can be buying shares. And I'm not going to tell you, I'm not going to advise you to be buying shares. But listen, on every dip, we need to be picking up a little bit. So anyone that has the ability to pick up a share or two or three, whatever you can do, it's your contribution to the ape kind. Make sure you pick up some shares and just hold. That is all you got to do. And if you can't afford to buy a share or even a fractional share, then just hold what you got. Okay? This will pay off very soon. I'm not saying it's going to happen this week, but I am quite optimistic. And I'm thinking that maybe it will happen this week, because we could see a major gamma squeeze, which will lead into a major, well, short squeeze. And we could see these humans buying a bunch of shares to cover their positions. And guess what? Then we'll be taking home the bacon, or should I say the bananas? I think the bananas sounds better because we're a bunch of apes. I don't know if apes eat bacon. This is a motivational video. I'm sorry I couldn't give you any information here, but that's because we already know all the information. The only information that you need to know is that we've got a whole bunch of call options that are in the money already. I mean, look at where we're at. Look at your screen. 49.40, but it looks like 49.71 in the pre-market. All we got to do is hit that 50. If you've seen my previous videos, you know at 55, they're in trouble. At 60, they're in more trouble. 65, man, they're underwater. And if this thing hits 70, man, go home and buy you a boat, because you can afford it. Because I know I can, and I'm going to buy one because, you know, I like to go fishing. But we're going to be fishing for bananas this entire week. It can get hard. It can get harder. It can get very, tough during these types of weeks, because there's going to be a lot of kitchen sink throwing at us, okay? They're going to be throwing them kitchen sinks at us, because they're going to be trying everything to weasel their way out of this. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Hold strong. Do not worry about nothing. We've got this, apes. We've got this, ape nation. Leave a comment and tell me that we've got this, if we've got this, ape nation. I'm not wasting your time. That's why this video is very short. I'm not asking you to subscribe. I'm not asking you to like. But if you do those two things, you're going to be very happy. Go check out my previous videos, because they cover everything that you need to know. And I've got like tons of them out there. This one is just for motivation, for those of you to stay up late or wake up early, okay? Now, we got a job to do, apes. We're fighting for the wealth of our children. We're fighting for the wealth of our children's children. Do not give up. And whatever you do, do not lose sight of what you are fighting for. You are fighting for the same thing that I'm fighting for. You are fighting for the same thing that the ape next to you is fighting for. We are apes. Apes stick together. Apes fight together. Apes pick bananas together. We peel them together and we eat them together. But don't eat that little thingy at the top. I don't know what it's made out of, but it ain't no part of no nana. So, if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's get ready to buy some AMC shares, take them off the market. I know they're fake shares that we're buying, but that's what we got to do right now. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.